weekly test of the NOAA radio all hazard warning device, the station WXJ94 in Lewis, Delaware. During potentially dangerous weather situations, special receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey, every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If there is a threat of severe weather during the normal weather day, reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. The warning alarm and warnings for the following counties and marine areas in and near southeast New Jersey. Marine areas near Lewis, Delaware, Kent and Sussex, including the Atlantic coastal waters from Maine, in Maryland, Carolina, Dorchester, Wicklow, Miles, and all of Delaware Bay. This concludes the weekly test of NOAA weather. New Jersey, Southbridge, Cotique, Virginia out 40 nautical miles, including Delaware Bay. This concludes the weekly test of NOAA weather radio. All hazards. Delaware. Thank you for listening to NOAA weather radio.